Hello everyone, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be discussing the chart of DOGE, Dogecoin, and as always, if you enjoy the content, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. It allows YouTube algorithm to know that you enjoy the content and want to see more just like this. So thank you very much for being here. And the chart of DOGE, Dogecoin, this is one of my classic reasons why I love the way that I look at the markets and look to take entries, because this chart right now of Dogecoin is just very, very clear, very, very simple, no ifs, ands, or buts. We have a line of support down here around 9 cents, 10 cents, something like that. You got a support zone of about half a penny or so down there, and you've got this downward sloping trend line, which is going to be our key zone for a breakout. So the reason obviously I like this type of investing so much, and the way I'm always on the lookout for these longer term down sloping trend lines for breakouts. Let's see, we've got here May, June, and start of July. About almost 2 months here worth of price data. There's weakness right now in Bitcoin, weakness in Ethereum. So to me, chances are very, very high that we continue down at least for the next, maybe, who knows, even couple weeks, at least week or so, until we finally hit a point where perhaps this support line allows us to break up and back over this critical trend line here, which is what we're going to need to see a new bullish price action starting in Dogecoin. So that's all I'm waiting for. You can copy this trend line, draw it yourself on your own chart, and this is exactly what I'm going to be waiting for to see if Doge can break out and start gaining some bullish momentum again. As always, the way I like to use these long-term trend lines is either on the daily or 3-hour, but in this case both look exactly the same. You can go here, dial into the 3-hour chart, and you can see it's all exactly the same. Nothing's changed. It's very clear here where we need to break through in order to start gaining bullish momentum on Doge, and what I will be looking for is let me just clear away some of this clutter down here. Just basically the same thing that I look for on every breakout of these downsloping trend lines is a formation that would allow us to draw a reasonable trend line, right? And this is always what you hope for. This is textbook. This is what I look for. Sometimes you don't get it, sometimes you do, but that's why I'm always very careful on breakouts, drawing my shorter term trend lines, and if those break down for any reason, I'm out. I wait for one of two things to happen. I wait for a breakdown here, a return back test of this trend line, which happens sometimes, and from there we vault up. And then sometimes you also get this where this trend line will break, it will break out and then immediately start breaking all the way back down into the channel and start just this process of bearish behavior even further down into lower price territory. So that's what I'm looking on Dogecoin right now. Very, very clear, very easy chart to follow. Just patience is going to be the key here, guys. If and when we start breaking out of Dogecoin, obviously I'm going to do another update video on that, and we will have to watch the price action and determine a trend line for the breakout at that point. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see everybody again very soon. Bye for now.